Can you spot the lie? Welcome to Fact or Fake. We've got 18 mind-blowing statements that will challenge everything you know about trees. Let's begin. The world's largest living organism is a massive mushroom colony, not a tree. Fake. The largest organism by mass is actually a quaking aspen colony in Utah called Pando. Pando's root system spans over 100 acres. If you hang a birdhouse on a tree branch, it will gradually move up the trunk as the tree grows taller. Fake. Trees grow taller from the top, so a birdhouse on a lower branch will stay at the same height. It will just get thicker. Some trees can release airborne chemical warnings to tell nearby trees to prepare for an insect attack. Fact. Trees use chemical signals called volatile organic compounds to communicate threats and boost defenses. This is an essential survival mechanism. A single mature oak tree can absorb over 48 pounds of carbon dioxide in a single year. Fact. Trees are incredibly efficient carbon sinks, which makes them essential allies in combating climate change. They are the lungs of the planet. Before the evolution of trees, Earth was home to giant fungi that grew over 25 feet tall. Fact. Fossils show ancient fungus colonies called prototeixites dominated the landscape over 400 million years ago. Imagine a forest of giant mushrooms. The world's oldest single-standing tree is estimated to be over 9,000 years old and is located in Sweden. Fact. This spruce tree, named Old Chico, is a clonal tree, meaning the visible trunk is young, but the root system has lived for millennia. It is a true survivor. All trees eventually die of old age, just like humans and other animals. Fake. Unlike most animals, trees do not have a fixed lifespan and can theoretically live forever if not killed by external factors. They are biologically immortal. The Amazon rainforest produces half of the world's entire oxygen supply. Fake. While vital, the Amazon produces around 6 to 20% of the oxygen on land, not 50% of the world's total. Most comes from ocean plankton. Trees have a complex underground network, often called the wood wide web, which they use to share nutrients and water. Fact. Trees communicate through symbiotic fungi networks, sharing resources with sick or weaker neighbors. It's a literal social network. The first known tree was a massive, ancient fern-like plant from the Devonian period, found in what is now New York. Fact. Fossils of the Wadieza tree, which had no leaves, show it formed the first known forests about 385 million years ago. It was a revolutionary plant. The wood used to make a traditional baseball bat comes exclusively from the hickory tree. Fake. While hickory is used, many bats are now made from ash and maple, with maple currently being the most common choice. Maple wood is very dense. The rainbow eucalyptus tree, famous for its colorful bark, is native to Australia. Fake. The rainbow eucalyptus originates in the Philippines, Indonesia, and Papua New Guinea, not Australia. The bark sheds in multicolored strips. There are over 100,000 different known species of trees in the world. Fake. The current global tree census counts approximately 60,000 distinct tree species, with many still critically endangered. We must protect tree diversity. You can determine a tree's age by simply counting the visible rings on its bark. Fake. The rings used for aging, called annual rings, are only visible in a tree's cross-section, which is the stump or a fallen log. Counting bark rings won't work. Pine trees are the only species in the world that spread their seeds using cones. Fake. Conifers like spruce, fir, and hemlock also use cones to spread their seeds. Pine is not the only conifer tree. In urban areas, trees can cool the surrounding environment by up to 9 degrees Fahrenheit. Fact: trees use shade and a cooling process called transpiration, releasing water vapor into the air, which lowers temperatures. They are natural air conditioners. The longest documented roots belong to the shepherd's tree, found in the Kalahari Desert, reaching over 230 feet deep. Fact: this incredible root depth allows the desert tree to tap into deep water sources for survival. That is 3/4 the height of the Statue of Liberty. The practice of forest bathing, or Shinrin-yoku, originated in China and is a recognized form of therapy. Fake. This practice of spending time among trees for wellness originated in Japan in the 1980s. It is a calming, natural therapy. How many did you get right? Comment your score below. Subscribe and hit the bell for more fact or fake challenges every day.